Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any topics you want me to go over in my next videos, make sure to leave a comment below. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to get a free mentor. And with that being said, let's hop onto my screen and I'll show you how to do it. So we're going to hop on to this website called score.org, and I'll leave a link below in the in my description. So this website right here, I was referred to by a friend of mine and also a business partner, and they've helped me tremendously after signing up and getting a mentor. So what these mentors help you with are they can help you provide expertise and practical know-hows, help you optimize your business plans, troubleshoot new strategies and ideas, offer you proven business tools, become your trusted small business advisor, and much more. And guys, these aren't just people that are from different countries. They're here locally. So if you're going to put in your zip code, let's say our zip code, put in one of these zip codes that's in an area close to me. We go click on get free advice. We're going to get led to a form. So saying your request will be sent to Washington, D.C. That's where I live, in the area I live around. So we're going to put in our name, last name, your email address. Now you guys know my email address, so please don't stalk me. Phone number. I'm going to just put a random number in because let me just 24897. Zip code again. And how would you like to receive notifications about this request? Email or text? I'd say email. How would you like to meet your mentor? So right now, since COVID, of course, they're not recommending to do in person. So most of the time I just do video, and then we can just hop on Zoom with most of the people. And then what area would you like to be mentoring? So this is where you guys can choose what would best fit your needs when you're starting a business, or you're in your business right now and you need a mentor for a specific part of your business. So they have accounting and cash flow. They have business plans, startup assistance, buying or selling a business, customer relations, financing and capital, franchising, government regulations and contracting, human resources, international trade, legal issues, marketing, public relations and sales, operations, product development and manufacturing, strategy and planning, tax planning, and technology. So if yours doesn't really fit in one of these businesses, you can choose one that's closest to yours. And then what they'll do is somebody from Score will call you or email you and say, here's your mentor. You hop on the call with your mentor, tell them what you were trying to do, what your business is about. And if they can't find one for you, they'll find one closest to your business, so it can help on different parts of your business. So, and then you have the please describe, and I'll choose one of these first. Last time I chose was buying or selling a business. My mentor actually was from retail, and he started one retail store. He bought a business that was a retail store and then scaled it to multiple retail scores. Sorry for my tongue twister. And then he sold his company to a Fortune 100 company, I believe. So I'll just choose buying or selling a business for this video. And it says, please describe the business questions you need answered. So you can be like, I just started a new business and it's in the fashion industry. And then you can just, talk a little bit more about the business, what you need help with. And those will get sent directly to the mentor that they select you with in your area zip code that you chose. So is your business already established? You click yes, and it is. Then you just put in your business name. I'll put Sammy's fashion line. And then you say, what type of business do you have? And then here's more technical on the type of business you have. So if it's not on here, of course, choose the closest one to it, and then your mentor can help send you to another mentor that can help you or is closest to that, and then that's when you have your mentor. So since it's in fashion, I choose nonprofit, public, retail and wholesale trade. Retail I chose just because of retail stores or something like that. But if your business is online, of course, you can just let them know that it's online. And then how did you hear about SCORE? It was a friend of mine and a close business partner of mine too. So that, and then say I'm not a robot, and then all you have to do is click submit. Oops, I shouldn't have clicked submit because I don't want them to contact me again for another mentorship. But anyways, guys, that's how you submit the form, and then you get assigned to a business mentor in your area. And I just wanted to go over with you guys, now that we're still on the screen, of all these businesses that have started with it. So one of the things I want to tell you guys is this is funded by the SBA. So it's funded by the U.S. Small Business Administration. So it's not no scammy or anything scammy like that. It's actually funded by the SBA, which is the ones who are giving out the COVID EIDL loans, the PPP loans, and all that. It's all by that company. So these kind of people are here to help you get started. And there's 5 simple steps that they do from SCORE when you get your mentor. So what they do is, number 1 is they help identify your small business needs and your desired support. Number 2, they request a SCORE mentor as your advisor to your small business for your success. And number 3, they schedule. So they schedule a mentoring session with your assigned SCORE mentor. Number 4, they set goals for your small business with guidance from your SCORE mentor. And number 5, you work with your SCORE mentor through the life of your business. And the great thing about this, guys, is the SCORE mentor lasts as long as you need it. So there's no time limit. But if you happen to say, hey, I need a mentor for another part of my business or a different part of my business, and they can't help you, they'll help you find somebody through their network or even through the SCORE organization. So with that being said, guys, it's time for you guys to get a mentor if you need it in your business. And for me, when I first started in my business, it was the hardest thing to find a mentor. I didn't know where to look. I didn't even know who to talk to or what I needed. But when I signed up for SCORE, I found the guidance I needed for my new businesses that I've started now. And these are the things that I wish I knew when I first got started. So I'm just here to tell you guys how grateful I am to find something like this, and how I'm so excited to share with you guys about this website that's helped me have now not 1 but 2 mentors in my current businesses, and that it's just helped me opened my eyes to what potentially I can do and what my businesses could be. So thanks guys for tuning in to this channel, and I will look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. All right guys, peace.